Hello friends! I am sharing with you an incredibly delicious and delicate dessert, which is prepared in a matter of minutes. So we take 2 cups of milk. Add 3½ tablespoons sweetened condensed milk. 4 tablespoons cornstarch. Mix well so that there are no lumps. Pour into a saucepan. And put on medium heat. Do not forget to always stir so that it does not burn. When the milk begins to thicken, add 3½ tablespoons butter. Stir until the butter is completely melted. This is what your custard should look like. Remove from the stove and pour into a heat-resistant dish. Cover tightly with cling film on top. Set aside to cool to room temperature. Now combine 3.5 ounce milk chocolate with 1/3 cup milk. Put in the microwave until the chocolate melts. Now mix well. The glaze should be smooth and glossy. Well, the perfect glaze is ready. For now, set aside. Now, in a deep plate, crumble 7-ounce cookies into random pieces. Take the already cooled custard. Cook according to my recipe and share your impressions in the comments. And add to our cookies. Beat with a blender until smooth. If you like the dessert, please like and subscribe to my channel. I would be very happy. This is how a smooth, homogeneous mass should turn out. Now pour our mass into a container convenient for you. Level the surface well. Pour the glaze on top. And carefully distribute it evenly over the surface of the dessert. Decorate as desired. It remains to put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Just look at how beautiful it is. It's very tasty. You should definitely try this dessert. Enjoy and see you in new videos.